Hey girls, so today I have a little something different for you. Zoe and I are in the kitchen and we have fresh vegetables and herbs and things like that. So we're going to be in the kitchen. We're going to be cooking up a little food. And I just kind of let the recorder go and just show you Zoe and I cooking our summer spaghetti. Zoe is really hilarious. So I felt like this is a great time to show you our recipe, how we do it, and just let you hang out with Zoe and I. So keep watching.
She got a spoon here and all in the way, but she's helping, aren't you, Zoe? Okay, so I got to cut those up. I can't leave them whole like that. Move your hand. We gotta cut the peppers. We're doing like I'm calling this a summer lasagna. Well, why I keep saying lasagna? A summer spaghetti with colors. I want
the color of the rainbow.
The color of the rainbow. So yeah, Zoe and I are adding some red, yellow, orange peppers. We already cut up the parsley, the cilantro,
Mama,
got the onions. Yep.
Okay.
And we're gonna cut up, oh yeah, we gotta do the green pepper. So yeah, this is gonna be our summer spaghetti with lots and lots of color and flavor, right, Zoba? Just lots of color and flavor.
Mama, you sure that this is recording?
I'm sure it's recording. You can't see us, you can just see us chopping and chatting. So are you sure this is recording?
It's recording.
Oh, she said sometimes she thinks she recording and she don't be recording, so that's why she trying to make sure.
It's a pepper and the onion.
Okay. Zoe washed her hands, didn't you, Zoe? That's one thing we require is clean hands around here, right, Zoe?
Do you clean your hands?
Of course I clean my hands. I told you to clean your hands.
Well.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut up the green pepper. We've run out of space, Zoe. Okay, let's do this. Let's
move the grass.
You know, we need a bigger cut the grass. Move what, Zoe? Zoe said, let's move the grass. Zoe said, no, we're not. It's not grass.
We got some more orange peppers.
Okay, give them to me. Let's chop them, girl. We might have to get another cutting board. Actually,
let's put the peppers right here.
I got plenty of cutting boards.
Whoa. Right
We need another cutting board, Zoe. I'm thinking.
I'm gonna cut it.
You can't. She thinks she can cut it with a spoon and a fork. You cannot, Zoba. You cannot. So now we have everything cut up. Good job, Zoba. Zoe has on her apron. Let them see your apron, Zoe. We gotta tie it up right. I don't know how Zoe tied the apron. I have on my apron, but this is what we have cut up. So we have parsley, cilantro, the peppers, and we have green peppers, and we have onions. So now we're about to take our hamburgers, and we're gonna have some corn. You want corn on the cob too?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are taking.
Is it the juicy crab? I mean, that comes from the crab legs.
It's going to.
Yeah.
So we have 3 pounds. Was it 3.8 pounds of hamburger? Because Chris loves spaghetti. You should see how much he eats. So that's why we have to get the great big pack. Plus ice is here. So yeah, we're gonna put this in the pan. And for seasons today, we're gonna be using the Morton's Nature's Seasoning. My mom has been using this for so many years and I use it, I love it. We have Italian herb blend. So it's got a little bit of everything in there. We also have Harlem, this is new for me. Badia Harlem garlic pepper. I always use a lot of garlic pepper and a lot of black pepper. I mean garlic salt, black pepper, and parsley. So I don't know. I just wanted to try this. Oh, you know what?
I know how to do it.
Hold on. This is what we're about to use. I'm about to show you something I got new.
Can I do it?
Yeah. See how I'm mashing it like that? Can you help me? So we're gonna mash up our hamburger.
It looks like I'm
ground beef,
doing
rather.
it.
Hmm?
It looks like I'm doing it.
I know. But this is a great
Mama,
tool.
the one
I'm
on the
telling
side
you,
right here.
if you don't have this tool, you definitely have to get this tool because it is so, oh my gosh, it really is.
But they don't know how to get this tool if you don't tell them where it is from.
I got it from, where did I get this from? Temu, actually, but I think they sell it somewhere anywhere. Zoe said they don't know where to get it from if you don't tell them. Okay, so let it go for a minute. Let go. So we have gotten this off to a good start.
You're cooking?
Yeah. Why you got McDonald's?
So we're gonna put a layer of our seasoning down. I like to use a lot of seasoning, child. Because how we got sugar? Oh Lord, I hope we got some sugar.
Ooh, who's orange pie? Can we have some?
Zoe, move. So we're gonna put the herbs in here and get stuff going everywhere. We'll clean it up later, honey.
Tasty.
Zoe has cleaned her hands, so put some veggies in. Don't all of them. Just get some from each pile. Like pick up some from here, put it in. Put the peppers in. The green peppers. Some onions. Okay, and this should be good for now because we're also going to season our noodles with some cilantro and parsley as well. Look at the color. This is why I call it like summer spaghetti because I love to have the different colors going on. So we will check back shortly. Girlfriend, this has been such an interesting day because Zoe has been rolling with me today, honey. We still got to clean off the counter. We got a lot, so we need to put this in the trash. This in the trash, please. So, oh, girl, let me show you. I got this water from Dollar Tree. So now, girl, I didn't get it because old girl told me to buy it. Okay. I had this water. I buy alkaline water and stuff, but for every day, like drinking multiple times a day. Okay, yeah. But so we've had this. I've had this like for a while, but I got this out of Dollar Tree because you seen me like the last time in one of my vlogs. I had got some water. I forgot the name of it. Turn your iPad also. And that water was not good. It was horrible. This water, oh my. I had the refrigerator so today. I was like, let me taste this water. I'm going back to get some more of this. So it's 9 pH alkaline water, purified water with minerals and electrolytes. This water is really, really good. Like when I tasted this water, I was like, oh. So yeah, but it's really good. Zoe and I had been out and we were tired when I came home. So I went and got this out the fridge. And I was like, oh my goodness.
And I took a nap.
It's good water though, and it's huge for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is good though, real good. And during the summertime, you do need to replenish with electrolytes, honey, especially if you're gonna be out in that sun. Cause baby, it is hot. Whew, out there, ain't it so? You got anything you want to tell them?
We ending it?
No, I'm just asking if you got anything you want to tell them. We're cooking.
Whoa!
You gotta be careful, girl. We are cooking. So we got some fire now, girl. We got some action over here. Girl, put it down. We got some action over here now, Zoba. Got some action, baby. Girl, bye. No, it's not. Ooh, girl, that's what we working with. Let's do a little something, something. When this get done, then I'll put the other pack in there. But right now, this summer spaghetti is coming together. So here I decided to add fresh parsley and cilantro. Why not? added sauce. Now this is the debate. Do you add sugar or no? I do. I love to add sugar to mine.
Mama.
What, girl? We gotta add some sugar. It's good though. I already tasted the sauce. It's really, really good. So we are about to put our spaghetti in, and I'm actually gonna put parsley and cilantro in there to boil with the spaghetti to give it a little flavor to it. Loving it. Food is done, girl. We did a good job, Zopa. Are you happy? We did a good job, girl. Give me a high five. Woo! Yep, we got corn, spaghetti. Then you're gonna get that one. And then we got the noodles, so we're about to put this together. So a question, do you put your noodles and spaghetti together, or do you leave it separately? I know a lot of people leave it separately. Girl, in this house, country style, we're gonna put it together, baby. Ooh, girl. Zoe's food.